Hey guys, Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie here. Today we're looking at a 2023 Harris 230 Solstice. So back here you do have your 250 horsepower Mercury outboard, as well as a built-in cooler cushion and this huge lay flat sun pad here. So it does have an adjustable seat with 3 different positions, 1, 2, and 3, laying all the way flat like that. Coming up to the helm, you got the raised captain's platform and dual swivel captain's chairs. You do have your larger Simrad unit on here with 2 analog gauges, as well as the upgraded JL audio system throughout the boat from bow to stern, with a huge subwoofer right here on the port side. Up here in the bow, you do have your in-floor storage with the ski locker, and storage under each of your bow cushions to have plenty of space to keep everything that you could need while you're out on the water. If you've got any questions about this model or any others that we have at our location, just give us a call at 803-831-2101. That's Blake Holbrooks at MarineMax on Lake Wylie.